Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to put a double underline in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To double underline the text in a cell, first select the cell, then right click and select Format Cells. Or we call this menu with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1. In the window that opens, go to the Phone tab and in the Underline drop-down list, select the double option and click OK. And as you can see, the text has received a double underline. If you select several cells and apply double underline to them, then now all the text that will be written in them will receive double underline. In order not to use the Format Cells menu every time to double underline, you can put the double underline button on the Quick Access toolbar. Go to the upper left corner and click the right mouse button. Select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. In the Select Comments From list, click All Comments. Next, find the double underline button, select it and click Add. Great, click OK. And now we can add or remove double underline by pressing just one button. Everything is clear with the first method. Now let's look at the second one. With this method, it's not the text that is underlined, but the cell itself. Select several cells, click the Borders drop-down list and select More Borders. In this menu, select the double line. We can also change the color of this line. And most importantly, since we have several cells highlighted, we select the appropriate lines to underline the cells, and then click OK. And the cells will be underlined. This is the second way. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.